Welcome to week 7. This week we're looking at the endocrine system, which talks about hormones and the glands that produce them. You have a discussion this week, which is entitled Hormone Action, and it asks you to post an essay of 150 words, and there are a number of items that you need to include in this discussion. You also need 2 response posts to other students, and there are a couple of points taken off if you have spelling or grammar errors. If you look at the different details that you need on your discussion, you need to go to the rubric, which I have on the screen. Well, actually, I have the assignment directions on the screen. If you go up to the 3 dots in the corner and click on that, you should get Show Rubric. And then the rubric comes up and it will show you what's required in this assignment. So you need an original post of 150 words, and it tells you the details to include. Also, you need the response posts and spelling and grammar. So there are 12 points for the original post, 6 points for the response posts, 3 points each, and 2 points for spelling and grammar. So be sure on all your assignments that you consult the rubric to be sure you get all the points that are possible. For this assignment, it says to choose a hormone. And so you start out picking a hormone that you want to work on, and then you tell the gland that produces the hormone. There are 3 types of things that trigger a hormone to be released from a gland. And these are hormonal, which means a hormone from another gland will trigger the hormone from your particular gland to secrete its hormone. Or you have a humoral trigger, which is another chemical, like blood sugar for insulin and glucagon, calcium levels for your calcitonin and parathyroid hormone. And then the third trigger is the nervous system. There will be a nerve impulse that triggers hormone release from a gland. So you're asked to give the definitions of hormonal, humoral, and nervous, and then tell which one triggers the hormone that you've chosen to be released from its gland. Also, hormones work by either direct gene activation or second messenger system. And you need to describe fully in detail the direct gene activation and how that works versus the second messenger system. And then tell which one of those controls the hormone that you chose. So this is your major assignment for the week. You also have your practice test and your reading and studying. You have the second exam and the second lab exam at the end of the week. So because your exams are start Friday and end on Sunday this next week, your practice test will be due on Friday. So don't forget that. And I wish you much success with your exams this week. And if you have any questions, please be sure to send me a message to my inbox. Have a good week. Thank you.